Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Ardenne Prep from St. Andrew up against Harbour Primary from Kingston. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss. Ardenne Prep won and decided to send Harbour Primary first, so we'll begin with Harbour Primary. Now in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and of course this section lasts for 4 minutes. So with that time on the clock, we begin with Harbour. Bible knowledge, who was the second king of Israel?
King David. King David!
Correct. Ardenne, Bible knowledge, who anointed David as king of Israel?
Samuel.
That's right. Harbour science, what is another name for the eye condition myopia?
Nearsightedness. Nearsightedness.
Correct. Ardenne, science, what is another name for the eye condition farsightedness?
Hypermetropia.
That is correct. Harbour international affairs. Mark Zuckerberg was one of the original founders of which social media company in 2004?
Twitter.
Incorrect. Facebook, now Meta. Ardenne, international affairs. Bill Gates was one of the original founders of which technology company in 1975?
Instagram.
Incorrect. Microsoft. Harbour English language. Spell sufficient.
SUPHIFICENT.
Incorrect. SUFFICIENT. Ardenne, English language for you as well. Spell candid.
CANDID.
That's correct. Harbour television. What is the color of the gloves worn by the cartoon character Minnie Mouse?
White.
That's correct. Ardenne television. Which cartoon character typically wears a sailor shirt and cap with a bow?
Popeye.
Incorrect. Donald Duck. General knowledge. Harbour which continent is known as the cradle of civilization?
India.
England.
Incorrect. Africa. Ardenne, general knowledge. Which African country is known as the land of the pyramids?
Egypt.
That's right. Harbour social studies. What is the name of the imaginary line that circles the Earth at 23.5 degrees north of the equator?
Tropic of Cancer.
That's correct. Ardenne, social studies. What is the name of the imaginary line that circles the Earth at 23.5 degrees south of the equator?
Tropic of Capricorn.
That's correct. Harbour music. Which Jamaican gospel artist released the single Still Breathing?
Tasha Cobbs.
Incorrect. Rhoda Isabella. Ardenne music. Which Jamaican gospel artist released the single You Make Me Stronger?
Kevin Downswell.
That's correct. Harbour mathematics. What is 8.145 rounded to the nearest hundredth?
8.15.
That's correct. Ardenne mathematics. What is 8.2151 rounded to the nearest hundredth?
8.22.
That's right. Harbour sports. What position in netball is WD?
Wing defense.
That's correct. Ardenne sports. What position in netball is GS?
Goal scorer.
Judges? Incorrect. Goal shooter. Harbour Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's Speaker of the House of Representatives?
Juliet Holness.
That's correct. Ardenne, Jamaican affairs. Who is the President of the Jamaican Senate?
Tavares Reeds.
Incorrect. Tom Tavares Finson. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Ardenne Prep on 7 and Harbourview Primary also on 7, so we have a tie. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after these messages.